Of course, that song goes out to my leading lady, Lobo, and Love Me Again, si Angel. Maraming salamat, of course, sa lahat na nanood. And you know, just like with her, my friendship with these guys, Sam, Eric, Mark, Christian, it keeps growing. And that's because we share the same passion. Singing, and of course, inspiring others with music. Now, as we want to make a difference in this business that we so love, here's a friendship like showbiz, like ours na bibihira po sa showbiz. Mahalaga na matibay ito.